Will numpy keep order of assignment when existing duplicated indexes? I want to make an assignment to an array by index array, but there are duplicated indexes. For example, 2 questions. For duplicated indexes, does the latest assignment always take effect? Is a 1 == 6 true for any case? For example, for very large array A, is it possible a 1 == 0 or 3? More specifically, I use numpy compiled with MKL, provided by Anaconda. Some array operation are in parallel. Related post, handling of duplicate indices in numpy assignments. If the answer above is no, is there anything can make sure that the assignment always keep in order?
And simpler equivalent to Divakar's solution. Output.
Here's one approach to guarantee the assignment into the last indices from the group of identical indices. Sample run.
If you want to